Okay, now we do have drawing number 12. I have had a few questions on this drawing. So one of the questions is, how do you draw these lines at an angle? And how to do this circle on the center layer. So first thing I have is part of the drawing, and I'm going to take advantage here to explain one modify command, which is join, to actually complete this arc as a circle, because you do have to have those circles. I'm going to type join and hit enter. Then I'm going to arrow down and go to close. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to arrow up, join, select the arc, enter, L, enter. I'm going to do it 2 more times so I can complete the circles, which is actually the way I know you will have it on your drawing. I just wanted to explain new command. That will probably be helpful one day. Okay, so construction layer is current. I'm going to start a line, and it goes from tangent to tangent. So first point, I'm going to hold down shift and do a right click and select tangent. Then do the same thing for the second point. Hold down shift, right click, and go to tangent. Once you see the tangent all snap on, just click on it. AutoCAD will know where to place the line. So L, enter, shift, right click, tangent, hold on shift, right click, tangent. Then you just have to trim. Now, talking about the circle in the middle, I'm going to do make sure you have center layer current, C for circle, 0, 0 in this case, and it's actually going to the center of this little circle. So once you have it in place, we're going to break it. On the modify panel, we have the break command. You can also type BR for break, hit enter, and you're going to select about this area of your circle. And then AutoCAD works counterclockwise. I'm going to break it to here. But if I click here and my center of snap is on, it's going to give me a different result. So I would like to type NEA for nearest, and then that of snap actually is right on top of an object but not accurate. So I'm going to click on that and make sure you have this on the center layer. Now, because of how long this is, it's not showing me the line type, which in this case would be okay.